We will see some of the benefits of using Tableau. Tableau is easy to integrate and easy to upgrade. You can create interactive dashboard using a GUI. It has an intuitive user interface and you can analyze and process your data within seconds. It is easy to use and easy to understand. Tableau is a low-cost solution in comparison with other business intelligence tools such as ClickView. Tableau is easy to connect to any data source, be it corporate data warehouse, spreadsheets, web-based data or any other data sources. We will see about the cost and availability, but first let's see more about ClickView. So ClickView in its personal edition is free with limitation of document sharing, and each named user licenses is around $1,350 and $15,000 for a concurrent user. The server license is for $35,000 per server and additional $21,000 for servers for PDF distribution services, additionally $22,500 for SAP NetViewer connectors, and it may require RAM upgrade if large number of concurrent users are using it. For Tableau, there is a free desktop version called Public that makes data available for all to download. The private version comes with fixed fee of $999 or $1999 depending on data access. For Tableau server it says that it's around $1,000 for server user with minimum of 10 users plus maintenance cost. Also in Tableau Public we have some limitation as compared to Tableau Desktop, so some of the limitation are you cannot add more than one lock rows. Connectivity with our software is not there in the Tableau Public, so these are some of the limitation. In Tableau Public you cannot save your file in your local machines. So this is the another limitations. It will be uploaded into the server directly.